Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a white chocolate mug cake. Really tasty. Let's get started. Alrighty, get a mug. Put about 30 grams of butter and 45 grams of white chocolate. Now, put this in the microwave for about 20 or 30 seconds to melt it. Now just give it a stir to melt it. Yummy. Just leave it to for about 3 minutes to cool down before we add the egg. Now add 1 egg. Mix that in. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that through. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just mix this all together. Then 5 tablespoons of self-raising flour. If you only have plain flour, that's fine. Just add half a teaspoon of baking powder to that. Now mix all these together. Oh, yeah. Now put this in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Then we'll see what we get. Oh, yum. Now it's time to taste it. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for white chocolate mug cake, as you can see. Oh, so good. Oh, look how fluffy it is. Mama. Oh, scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.